there are those times. Those times when companies just send you stuff. Then there's those times where they email you and it ends up in your spam box, and you don't get to it for a while and realize another company wants to send you stuff. Vivor is a good example. Incredible company. So much stuff on their website. And they always send me stuff, but most of it is mechanical stuff like bench press things and drills and all sorts of stuff to do with the shop, your home, but nothing quite like this. And this was not sent from Vivor. No. But Vivor's link, since they've been so good to me, will be in the description below, along with this company. If you have a modern day car, a car that was probably built, let's say 2017 till now, most cars have like an infotainment center in it where you got Apple CarPlay or yeah, that's what it is, right? There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's say, most cars have that nowadays. What can you do with that? You can navigate, listen to music, I don't know, search for a gas station or an electric charging station. That's about it. You're pretty limited. Forget watching videos. You can't watch YouTube on there. You can't watch Netflix, Disney Plus, or any of that stuff. Until now. So this company contacted me about a month ago. I didn't even know it. It was in my spam folder. Like I was saying, and then so sometimes I go to clear up my spam folder just to keep my phone memory and my emails fairly clean. And I peruse through the girls that want to, I don't know, like, my name is Felicia. I'm 22 years old. I love football and golf and video games. Would you like to hook up? Those type of emails, everything that goes into the spam filter, because none of that's real. At least I don't think it's real. God, if so, I really screwed up getting in a relationship, because I get a lot of those emails. But I also, scroll through, look at cruises and stuff like that, and then there'll be that one email. Hey, we tried to contact you. We thought we have a product we think you might like and want to do an unboxing. We'll send it to you for free. So just like Vivor, this product here was also free. The company is called Autoabc. I believe that's the name of it. Let me not pull out my non-Apple phone, because my Apple phone is up there. Yeah, they are called Autoabc. What I like about Samsung, cha-ching, you can show it. Make it smaller. Yeah, Autoabc. It's Autoabc. And I said, yeah. They said, we're going to send you a link. Let us know if you'd like that product. Okay, yeah, sure. So they sent me a link, and it is something that I've been wanting forever. Teslas, I believe, you can watch videos like YouTube and stuff like that. I don't know if you can do it while you're driving. This product here, you should be able to. You should be able to use it while driving and everything. But sometimes you're sitting at the car charger for 25 minutes, juicing up that car, and what are you doing? You're just messing on your phone. Why not watch Five Nights at Freddy on Peacock? I think it's on Peacock. I don't know. Or whatever you want to watch, Watch Little Mermaid on Disney Channel. Why not? And they sent me this product. Supposedly, it does all that stuff. It supports Android, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It comes in this fine little tiny box. I'm going to go ahead and open this real fast. I don't have a razor blade. I don't have no tools with me to cut open the cellophane. And I don't know if I could do it. Cellophane is like a kryptonite to me. But let's see if I can get this open. Okay, that took all of about 5 minutes. I took a shower and trimmed my nails yesterday. Bad time to trim your nails. All right, so here we have a mini AI box. That's what they call it, a wireless AI box. From the size of the box, it looks like it's pretty tiny. So I'm sure whatever is inside here is going to be I'm going to be able to hide it fairly easy under somewhere in my car. It does video play, has quick connect, plug and play, and also stronger capabilities. That's all it says. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Other sides of the box are empty, except for the FCC or the CC or the CE and the FCC. things there. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. This might be a chore here. It's coming. That's what your mom said. Okay, come on. Let's go. Oh, what a tight box. Okay, nothing in the lid, obviously. We got a user's manual, which I should take a look at, and the device itself. It's very small, kind of like, ooh, it's kind of cool. So it has vents in it, so this thing probably gets hot, I'm assuming, because it's all surrounded by vents. And I'm assuming it goes that way, just like that. And that's all you do. Has a USB-C, has a memory card slot, and I think that's it. I think you just plug that into your USB-C where you would normally connect your Android Auto or CarPlay. And then, yeah, that's it. I think that's all you do. And then it probably emits its own Wi-Fi signal, which your phone connects to. And then anything on your phone would end up going to your car stereo. Videos included. That's what I think. I was correct. It's just your USB-C to USB-C in your car. Just connect that and then you hide it somewhere, and it's small enough where you can pretty much hide it anywhere. It's tiny. It does say here, friendly reminder, due to the limited memory in the product, please avoid downloading a large number of applications, games, videos all at once. We recommend downloading only 3 to 5 applications to avoid overloading the system. And that's something I'm going to have to check on. Why would you need to put a memory card in here and download stuff to it when your phone has everything in it? To download various applications, click on the Play Store icon. This will give you access to a wide range of apps that you can install onto the product. The product supports third-party map navigations, online music, awesome videos, and online games, making your driving experience even more enjoyable. Could you imagine playing Resident Evil on your monitor while driving down the road? Even though my car drives by itself, I have self-driving for the most part, I still don't think I'd be playing games while driving down the road. So it seems pretty easy. You plug it in, hide it. When you turn your car on or turn the power on, your screen pops up. You go to the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of your iPhone and Android phone, and then you just search for the Wi-Fi or the name on this on your car screen. You know how you can go to Wi-Fi and stuff on your car screen. You go to it, look for this device specifically, and then connect it through your phone, and then it should be good to go from what it looks like. Well, fortunately, I am a YouTuber. Not a very good one or a very big one, but I mean, I'm big, but channel size, you know what I'm talking about. I do have so many little micro SD cards. I have one ready, willing, and able to slide in there. I think I'm doing it the right way. It is. So now I have 32. Oh no, that's a 64 gig card. So I have a 64 gig card in here, which I still don't know why I need it. Because if everything's on my phone, why do I need a storage card in here? I guess we'll find out, because next step, let's go put this in the car. Okay, this looks pretty easy. So I already have a cord connected where I would normally plug my phone in. Let's go ahead and plug this in. And I can put it right down here in that cubby hole so it's nice and out of the way. It's tiny and small. And not unlike myself. Okay, now what do I do? So I guess, hold on, let me see how easy this is to connect to the phones and then connect to that. It seems I forgot to format the SD card when I put it in there, so I'm formatting it through the car infotainment center. I was actually thinking that it put out its own Wi-Fi signal and you would just connect your phone to the Wi-Fi signal, but that's not how this thing works. So what it does, is you connect that little puck to your Bluetooth. Oh, look at that, SD card is ready to go. So you connect it to your Bluetooth, But that box has to be connected to internet. So my car puts out a Wi-Fi, so I just connected to my car's built-in Wi-Fi. And most of you guys probably have built-in Wi-Fi either through your Chevy company, or Nissan has AT&T or something, whatever we have, Nissan Connect. So we have unlimited Wi-Fi in the cars anyway. So that just connects to the Wi-Fi, excuse me, and then your phone connects via Bluetooth, which I don't really think you need your phone. I think you just download the apps to that memory card. So yeah, I got Netflix, obviously I got YouTube here. Let's see what's on YouTube. I'm not logged into my account, but let's see what it looks like and sounds like. Can you search? Oh, is it my library? Is it my library? No, it's not my library. So let's just go home and let's try gaming. Let's find a gaming video. So here is Mr. Beast. Let's look at Mr. Beast real fast. It pops up. Is it going to play on my infotainment center? Why did he shoot it that way?
Anyone can get this, even if you don't have a job. But now,
oh, it's a commercial.
Last week you can apply for it. This is due to a
oh, I need to log in. I can't deal with commercials.
To get back on their feet
but
by receiving free funding every month.
I hate it when people shoot videos vertical like that, or horizontal. Or that's horizontal, vertical. That's just stupid. But it is working. I got videos on my infotainment center.
You'll always have so much cash left over to
skip ads
and groceries.
Just for this. So here's Mr. Beast. I don't know if I want to get his audio. Let's see how long it takes for him to kick in. This looks like it might be a fun video. As a matter of fact, Mr. Beast, because you're the first video I'm showing on this thing, if anybody tells him I'm doing this, make sure he tell him don't get me in trouble. But because I'm doing this, I think I'm going to head over. I think I'm going to head over and get a Mr. Beast burger. I think that's what I'm going to get. Do I have to press play? Oh no, it just does autoplay is on, okay. So I guess it's just loading. But I just can't see why that's all going around there. Oh, it's looping. That's the loop. Are you gonna play, Mr. Beast? Are you gonna play? Okay. Let's go back. How do you get out of this? It should be playing. But it's not. Let's see if maybe Mr. Beast is blocking it from Android Auto, or actually this is hooked up. Actually, I got my iPhone 15 Pro connected. I was going to hook the Samsung up, but no. Why is it taking so long? It shouldn't be. I got 5G ultra wideband connected. Back one. Okay. Let's find someone else. Let's see here. Oh, God, where am I going? I know videos work because I just seen that one. Here's Super Mario Brothers Wonder. Let's check that out.
Everybody says that
Mario it works.
Is for babies, but I played this game with my baby and she fell asleep right away. Before we talk about this new Mario, though, I want to talk about the old one.
Would you look at that?
Mario Bros. U. This is
that is sweet.
These games, but
now, I'm assuming if I go home here, I got Netflix right there. Let's see, I'm probably going to have to log in. I'm assuming. Yeah, there it is. There's Netflix. I got Netflix on my infotainment center. That is just insane. Yeah, so I got to log in, but no biggie. And I don't think the only thing connected to my phone right now is Bluetooth. And I think that is so I can do all this stuff, all my regular stuff, my maps, my audio, my menu, CarPlay. Okay, so CarPlay is taken over, I think. Let's go to car. Nope, there's everything there. Nope. Back. Okay, there's my normal CarPlay. Let's see if I go to maps. I need to download some stuff definitely because all I got is Netflix, YouTube, Google Play Store. I could download from the Google Play Store. I just got to sign in. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I have to thank Autoabc for sending this to me. Like I said, it took me about 4 minutes to connect just because I thought you had to connect. Stitch in the way here, stitch in the way. just because I thought you had to hook Wi-Fi, I was looking for a Wi-Fi signal that was putting out. It doesn't put that out. It does put out a Bluetooth signal and accepts a Wi-Fi. So if you want to watch stuff like that, you have to either connect it to your car's Wi-Fi, and if you don't have car's Wi-Fi, if you use your phone as a hotspot, you can connect it that way. Slap a T-Mobile Home or a Verizon Home in the trunk and connect it to a Jackery battery. You're good to go. But you definitely have to have Wi-Fi connected. It does override your Android Auto, and it does override your, whatever the Apple one is here, the Apple, whatever. I don't know what it's called. CarPlay, whatever it is. But it does work. So I am going to go ahead and put a link in the description below. I want to thank Autoabc once again for sending this to me. I'm going to definitely use it. But I do have a very large fold-out Samsung phone here that does a lot more, because you can make phone calls with it, and I could also watch YouTube videos, and I could do navigation and do Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Walmart Spark and all that stuff with that. Steph stuck in a truck, on the other hand, she's doing that full time. Me, I still drive truck periodically and do that. So I think this would benefit her the most. So I'm going to use it a little bit today, play with it. And then I think I'm going to give it to her while she's at her charging session and get back to normal. But yeah, what a great product. Like I said, description will be in the link below with the cost and the price, because I know they have different ones. Some are more expensive than others. You're just going to have to peruse it. I don't even know if this is for you. I could see it if you're a gig worker, you're waiting for a load, Uber Eats isn't popping, you're over at the electric charger plugged into your car waiting for an order to hit before you go unplug, and you got something to do. It's pretty sweet. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Sorry about my little Stitch guy here, just like chilling and blocking the camera, but it is what it is. Peace out, everybody.